So welcome back to another video on my second channel. Today we are in Blackpool. I actually aimed to do this intro excuse me, at the Blackpool town centre, but the bus arrived early. So today we will be attempting to film trains, trams, maybe buses around Blackpool. And so I'm currently on the number 6 bus, which will take me to Leighton station. So let me stop talking and let's get right into the video. Just realised I was in time lapse there. I was on bus 459. Now I've got to walk to Leighton station. So I'm at Leighton and I've realised I've made an error while planning this out. So I'm going to be about 30 minutes behind from where I'm supposed to be, otherwise I'd only be able to film 2 trains if I was to keep going with the plan right now. And yes, I'm going to film some trains here at Leighton. Here's a Northern Class 15331 going from Hazelgrove to Blackpool North, 33122. 33120 is on the rear, and that's doing 2 November 62. Once this decides to focus, we have a class 331 going from Manchester Airport to Blackpool North. 331023. So I'm now done at Leighton and I need to find the bus stop that the 2C stops at. That will take me to Poulton-le-Fylde. Right, so our bus is the 11:38. So now at Poulton-le-Fylde station, and that was bus 457. Now I need to find my way into the station. So I'm at Poulton-le-Fylde station and I'm only going to be able to film 3 trains here. That is because I messed up my schedule when I was planning. And but literally it's only going to be 331s and 195s that will be passing through the station after that anyways. So unfortunately I was only able to film 2 trains, and that's because the 3rd train I was meant to see is an hour and a half late, which I'm not seeing. So yeah, I couldn't get any footage of me showing you how I film trains, but we're walking to the bus stop to get the next bus. Okay, so we're back at Blackpool town centre and I'm just going to walk to Central Pier so that I can film trams there. So I'm going to start filming loads of trams. Oh, I've just missed a tram. Oh well, see you when we get there. So I'm now just arriving at the Central Pier tram stop and it has just started to rain, which is not very nice. I mean, I'm trying to get a shot of a heritage tram at the station, or the stop even, with the Blackpool Tower in the background, but hope the rain goes off. So that's me done filming here at Central Pier, getting good enough shot of Heritage Tram and the Tower. So here's the plan for the rest of the day. I'm going to get the next tram to Pleasure Beach, then Pleasure Beach to Stargate, then Stargate all the way to the other end at Fleetwood Ferry, then Fleetwood Ferry to Rossall Beach, Rossall Beach to Little Bispam, and then Little Bispam back to the town centre at either Tower or North Pier. I think it's Tower. So I'm at Little Bispam, or Wee Bispam if you want to call it that, and I really like the sort of station building it has, or tram station building, whatever it is. And so I'm going to get on this next tram back to North Pier, and this will be the last tram I'll be riding on today. Okay, so that's me just got off at Tower with the Blackpool Tower behind me. I'm going to walk back to the hotel that I'm staying in, so that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you in whatever video that I'll put next on this channel. Goodbye.